Hey guys, today we're going to be making the transforming origami ninja star. Very cool. If you use two different colors paper, they look even better. So see how that gives this two-tone effect? Very cool. So let's get started. You're going to need 8 sheets of paper, 8 squares. So you want them perfectly square and use a heavy-duty thick paper. Then go ahead and fold one in half and bend the corners in to the middle crease. Just do 2 of the corners. And fold that over. Now, with that facing away, we're going to fold this edge up to the top edge and crease it firmly. Then when you kind of start to unwrap it, you'll see you can push it down into like a valley fold, I think it's called. And crease it and push it down firmly. You want to press it down good. And see, this is the shape you'll end up with. You need to make 8 of these. And I already did that. So see, I made 4 of each color. So you just grab 2 of them, and you'll see how we just fit one right into the other. I kind of line up that edge. I put it a little above the edge of the left one. And then these tabs just get folded down in to that valley. And put a lot of pressure on it. Pinch them really hard, especially with this thick of paper. Okay, and we're just going to switch off every other color. And of course, you can use one color tone if you want, or you could use more colors. Okay, so we're just going to continue doing the same thing. Folding them down in and pinching them really strong. Okay, and we got one more to go here, so we'll get this one folded in here. Okay, now you're going to have to kind of bend the whole thing to get the point of this one in there. This will be the final one, and you got to get these tabs right down in the sides of this here. You'll kind of see, yep, you can kind of see what I'm doing there. And now you really have to press everything down, especially like I said with this thick of paper. This is really thick paper. Construction paper might be a little easier. And it might be stiff right at first, but this one's working good. Look at that, guys. And the more you use it, the easier it'll slide. Thanks for watching, guys. Check out my other videos for more projects and craft ideas and other hobbies. See you guys later.